Hey everybody, Tom here again from Army Roofing. This is day 2 of one layer on plywood here in Ladner, BC. It's a beautiful day out, as you can see. See some mountains there and on the horizon. So we got the back all shingled in, got the hidden gutters done. We put these lower vents in to act as soffit vents because it's got no soffit ventilation. And we're going to be putting a ridge vent across the top here, across the ridge line. So far so good, turning out beautiful, nice and straight. We're going to be removing that heating pipe. It's not attached to anything. We got that side removed there. You can see John's down there draining the water out of that box gutter, or hidden gutter, whatever you want to call it. So we should be done tomorrow. I'm going to jump on this side next, strip this, and then it's just the front. The homeowner had a repair. I think I talked about that in the last video. You can see the different color shingles there, and he had metal added on, but they didn't do the best job, so now we got to get custom metal. So this is just another update. Nice color, weatherwood shingles. And here's that side here. You can see how poor the sheeting is. And whoever did that, just absolutely terrible workmanship. So we're going to fix all that stuff. We added the proper bathroom vent here. The pipe attaches to a collar so it can exhaust properly and the hot air is not blowing around in the attic space. And we got some estimates down there that we got to do today too as well. One of our guys didn't show up today, but that's roofing. The guys are always sick or something's always wrong with them, so it's just me and John today. But everything's going great. Gonna cut this other side here for the ridge vent. 1.5, 2 inches on this side too, and then that'll be done. So that's pretty much it for today. See how straight that is. Again, if you're in the Delta BC area or the Lower Mainland, sorry. You can call me at 778-686-7663 for a free estimate, or you can visit us at armyroofing.com and fill out a submission form, and we'll get back to you by email, and we'll schedule in for a free quote. Bye for now.